Hi, welcome back to the Flavors of Light YouTube channel. I'm Ali Reza, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the juices I'm drinking on my juice cleanse. This one's actually quite special because it's very difficult to find jackfruit here in London. So I'm basically going to show you how easy it is to make delicious tropical juices. So this is the jackfruit I've got. Oops. As you can tell, these are like stale, they're not ripe, but the good thing is I can juice it, so hopefully I can get some of nutrient and flavors of bubblegum flavored jackfruit. One thing that I was thinking about before making this recipe is what would go well with jackfruit, and everyone always describes as the flavors being bubblegum pineapple, and then immediately in my mind I thought, wow, the colors do work. And I said to myself, I managed to find, this is as ripe as we can get it in the UK, managed to find a pineapple here that looks pretty beautiful. So I just thought, let's make a pineapple jackfruit juice. So I'm gonna fast forward you through. There you go, guys. That's how you do a high carb tropical solid food vacation. So we're skipping out on digestion of this, and we're gonna consume the raw living juice like this. So this is my first time actually trying this. Most of my juices, so what I did was I saved half this pineapple, and I'm gonna make organic raspberry and pineapple juice after. So I knew that jackfruit is not going to be strong, so I wanted to keep it just to half the pineapple. So this is unripe pineapple and unripe jackfruit. The pineapple is going to be acidic, so I'm going to use a straw just to help protect my teeth. And use glass straw if you can have one, if you can find one. This is a reusable one. And I just want to say that the focus of my juice cleanse is high carb, raw living, fresh, reproductive organs from the forest on the islands of the equator. I'm not distracted. We do need minerals. You'll see me make juice recipes of minerals, but this is where most of your focus should be. So don't fear sugar. So I'm going to taste test this now. Wow, that's unripe, and it tastes that good. If I had enough jackfruit, I would have done 100% jackfruit juice. I'm very interested in trying rambutan, mangosteen. So when I get back out in the tropics, if you guys are following my channel, I want to show you videos of me being able to juice the super exotic fruits. Wow, so I hope this inspires you. Get your pineapples as ripe as possible. If you find a jackfruit, go for it. The magic about juicing is, not only do you skip digestion on this, but if you don't have good produce and you're not in Malaysia or Indonesia or Thailand or India, the Caribbean islands, Costa Rica, South Florida, I say to drink the produce. Don't eat cooked food. If you can, juice it and drink it. Cheers. Wow.